How to fix you are not receiving text alert notification from a particular contact only, and how to fix it. So if you want to fix not receiving text alert notification from a particular contact only, then what you need to do is first go with your messages. Now under your messages, if you have a crescent shaped icon on the left side, here on the left side, as you can see that I have a blue dot, which means I have not opened the message. But if you have a moon shaped icon or a half moon icon in front of the contact, now in this case it means that you have activated do not disturb mode for that particular contact. So whenever the contact sends a message, it won't be notified. So what you have to do is you have to swipe the message, or you have to swipe the contact to the left. Like for example, I'll go with this Telegram. If I swipe to the left here, as you can see that it has mute section. If I mute, then it will be muted. But if you swipe again and if you tap on unmute, and now you will receive all of the text alert notification from that particular contact. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.